Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. If I still have a little sleep in my voice, if you can tell, it is because it is early, first thing in the morning when Dollar General opens, and I am here because if you don't know, now you know that Dollar General clearance, all of the Christmas clearance has been marked down to just 25 cents. So all of these items right here say 70% off, and I mean all of them that are Christmas clearance, but they're actually ringing out for 25 cents. So this is the time when I pull up at Dollar General to see what I can find for the following year. So all of these holiday items like the Christmas tree skirts, the ornaments, the big bags, all of these items are just 25 cents. Even this rug and this tissue paper and these big bows and this pillow, you guys, these pillows over here, just 25 cents. You guys, I even scanned these little Christmas trees down here and these lighted truck with presents. They're both 25 cents, you guys. This is amazing. They have so much good stuff left. There's even some more on the other side that I'm going to take you over and see. But first, I'm going to load my cart up with the stuff that I want on this side. All right, you guys, now this is my favorite find so far. Look at this. So this outdoor display with the reindeers and the sleigh, this lighted reindeer and sleigh, it's normally $22. Can y'all guess how much it's ringing out for? It is just 25 cents. So we're definitely gonna grab these as well. And before I fill my cart to the brim, I also want to show you some of the other items that I already loaded up as soon as I walked in the store. So all of these items that I have in my cart are 25 cents, you guys. 25 cents. So these Dixie cups and bowls, the ones that are Christmas themed, are right here. These 32 count, 25 cents. I was only able to find one pack of the plates, but these babies right here are 25 cents. The Febreze small spaces, any of the holiday or fall scents are 25 cents. And then we have a $3 off of 2 digital that is attaching, giving us overage with the Febreze small spaces. I was also really excited to find these double packs of Glade candles. So these cranberry holiday scented candles, these smell so good. 25 cents for the double pack, 25 cents for the singles. All of these babies right here, 25 cents. I also picked up some of the Airwick scented oils. These are 25 cents. We do have manufacturer coupons that will give us some overage on these. And we also have digitals if you have them loaded that could possibly give you some overage as well. So we're gonna have some fun today. So you guys know I make gift baskets at the holidays. If you've been following me for some years, I always make gift baskets. These are 25 cents, and these have become pretty hard to find this year. If you want to make gift baskets with things out of your stockpile, these are definitely something to stock up on at 25 cents. Here is the other side with more items that are on clearance. If you want to look around over here, they have some nice ribbon that is normally $5, just 25 cents. I'm going to see what I want from this section as well. All right, you guys, so I am locked and loaded with everything that I'm going to get as a part of this sale. I am going to go ahead and check out. I'm going to try to use as many manufacturer coupons as I can for the Airwick. These came from the 1-2 Smart Source, I believe. We're going to see how many the system will take. Dollar General does have a limit of 5 like coupons, so we're going to see how this works with the clearance. So let's go up to the front and check out, and then we will be on our way to the next store. So funny story with this, I did not plan my transactions very well because I had so much stuff, you guys. So the first transaction, I had a small balance due. Then I did another transaction so that I could use a different Dollar General account. And in that transaction, I went into the negative. So when the cashier totaled me out, it said that he owed me $2.54. So I noticed that the person behind me had some Christmas items too. So I told her to put her stuff up with mine and then let my negative balance cover hers. But we still, even with her stuff, she still had to add a couple more items so that we could get myself out of the negative, since everything was only 25 cents. See, did that help any?
Did that help? Did it bring her above?
It's just 15 cents.
Okay.
Oh, it's 15 cents off the balance? I got a quarter right here. Cool.
Cash it again?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, let's do the customer 15 cents. All right, you guys, so we are at store number 2 now. First, before we get started at this store, I'm not going to get as much at this store because I went crazy at the last store. Let me show you how much I spent for everything at the last store. So here's the receipt for my first transaction at the last store. This is everything that we got right here. I also used a 3 off of 15 coupon for this transaction. So there's everything that we picked up in that transaction. And you guys, for that transaction, I got a total of 67 items. Yeah, I picked up a lot of stuff in that transaction, 67 items, and I ended up paying $6.57. And then I split off and I did a second transaction, and let me show you that one. So in this transaction, I got another 32 items. Here's everything that we got in this one. So in this one, I went a little too far in the negative. So I had to have somebody behind me add some of their stuff to my deal so that I would get out of the negative. And she was very happy to oblige. So I added in all of her stuff, which is all of this stuff down here, which is why one of these items is $1, just to get myself out of the negative. And then that put me at negative 50 cents for that transaction. So we paid almost for 100 items. We paid about $6 between both transactions for 100 items, you guys. So now we're gonna grab a few more things at this store. I just wanted to see what they have. They are pretty loaded and they have the 25-cent signs up. So I'm gonna go through here and see what I want to grab. All right, you guys, so I came over to this side, the air freshener side. I'm on the regular aisle right now, and I'm glad I did, because do you see what I see? These are 25 cents as well, and we do have manufacturer coupons, this one too. Jackpot, you guys, I have found Febreze. So these are 25 cents. We got the $3 off of 2 digital. These double packs of Febreze are on clearance as well, but I don't know if I want them. I think I'm actually gonna leave them because I have enough pine scented stuff at home. So this is everything I'm grabbing at this store I'm about to go check out. I will be using the $3 manufacturer coupons for these starter kits. We also have cashback rebates on the coupons app that I'm going to submit for as well for the one that I don't use a paper coupon for. And I'm grabbing some paper plates. Now the paper plates, these are full priced, but I'm going to be using the overage from the Airwick to pay for them. But I'm also going to be grabbing some more of the regular paper plates after this store, so I'll show you what else I grabbed after this store. But these paper plates that are not Christmas are going to be 3 for $6, but we're not going to pay for them thanks to the Airwick. So here's this receipt for that transaction. After my coupons, I ended up paying a whopping 75 cents for this deal. And then I'm also submitting back to the coupons app for $3, which made that transaction not only free, but a $2.25 moneymaker. At the next store that I went to, there was no clearance Airwick left or anything that I wanted as far as holiday decor, but they completely did not check the paper plates. So they left me the paper plates on the regular aisle, and I was also able to stock up on bowls that I found on the regular aisle, and these are 25 cents. Here's my receipt for that. I ended up paying $2.50 for that transaction since I did not have a lot of overage for that. And then my final store was pretty cleared out as well. All I found at that store was some more bowls, and I did find this vitamin C. So the Nature's Truth vitamin C that you can find in the $1 aisle gives quite a bit of overage. We have $2 manufacturer coupons and $5 manufacturer coupons. So I picked up two of them for $2. I used the 5 off of 2 paper coupon and got $3 in overage that I used to pay for another pack of paper plates that were DG brand. And here's my receipt for that final transaction. That came up to negative 30 cents. After the taxes, I paid 26 cents. And along with the Christmas sale, any New Year's items that you see will ring out for just 10 cents. So that is it for my Christmas shopping today. I think we did pretty good at Dollar General. Thank you guys for joining me today. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and let me know in the comments what you were able to find at your store. My total for today's trip, I spent about $9 in change in cash out of pocket, but then I'm also getting back $4.75 from the coupons app. So that makes my haul today about $5. So I think that is excellent because I got a lot of stuff. I will not be doing a haul picture because I've already split up the stuff with my mom. But you guys, this is a great, great sale. So thank you all once again. And as always, you guys, I will talk to you soon. Bye.